See. Thought it turned it on. Oh, it's on. Got a copy. Sick, dude. All right. We'll just use the same spot as last time. So, I'll just put the gas, most of the gas right there. I'm just gonna warm it up right now, dude.
Looks like Dwayne Billings now up with year number 3. I don't know what happened to Hobbs. He's off track, I think. Yes, he is. We got here out there working on his car, seeing what's going on. Dwayne Billings in the 3 spot. AJ, Glenn, and Jake in a 3-way battle for that 4th. Another battle up for the 9th spot. You got Kevin Lamb holding up Paul Knapp and Chad Dodd. 5:35 to go. Johnson Shotgun leading Chase Johnson. Coming through the intersection into Mercedes Center, going towards the Royal Army. Over the big quad. Chase sending it. He's got the power. Shockley going triple single every time through there. Nice and clean. Oh, getting it wrong. Chase is going to give Shockley a little bit of breathing room now. Eight-minute race.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a little bit, man. Keep it alive for a long time, man. It's pretty good, man. Almost like we're shooting it, almost made it more crispy.
Next closest battle is AJ Rodriguez holding off Travis Heater.
I have a glow igniter on me, but there's extra glow. Cool. Yup. Yeah, man.
And here we go, out in the lead right now, Joseph Johnson. Wow, side by side over the triple. They're coming off that pace here as they land on top of each other. The racing influence is right there. They're pushing it too hard.
Oh, stay out of that fucking dust, man.
New leader separating himself out from Johnson already.
Yeah, for sure.
Second place, pacing the triple, new leader, Joseph Johnson.
Oh,
They're probably making
yeah,
a
for
great
sure.
for hot car, Keith Clarkson, right behind him now. Taking a little tap, back up, let him have it.
steady hit. That's a little better now. I wasn't in the duck as much that time. Yeah, it's open again now. God, dude. I'll just let him marshal me out of there. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Alright. Get back on track here. I'm just gonna. Oh yeah. Maybe I actually shouldn't be hitting that with as much speed, just so I guarantee I just do a nice little double. Ooh. Yeah, just a double single, man. Yeah, right there. You said we're 7 minutes in already, as far as gas goes. I'll do one more lap and then I'll come in. Yeah. I'll bring it in after this one, dude. Might as well, yeah. Yeah, I'm coming in, dude. It's alright. Oh man, too much. I gotta watch my braking right there, man. I hit my brakes too much. Maybe that's what it is, dude. Yeah, the fucking setup's all weird over there, man. The holes are getting really deep. Yeah. Okay, here we go, man. Find a smooth line through here, man. At least I'm over there. Yeah. Really using the brakes over here, man. Yeah, not so far. Yeah, some safety there. Yeah. Oh, maybe that, yeah. Oh, it's perfect, man. What do you mean? Oh, I'll be turning. Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay, when I get in the air, I gotta hit right. How are we looking on gas and shit? Six minutes. Cool. Oh, yeah. Throw the rear end around. Hell no. Cool. For real. Make this shit clean.
Keep that, Red.
I almost made it through that. Oh, heavy traffic. Oh! Those guys really put their ass on the line to help me out there.
My fault. You ran right out in front of me by the speed. Oh! Oh my God! Son of a bitch! Fuck!
Oh, God damn it. Okay. Yeah. Feels like maybe gas pretty soon. Okay, I'll get it in there, man. Losing Dusty now, man. Hard to grab some traction. Yeah, absolutely. Just like that, man. Cakewalk with you there, man. Yeah, it is what it is, brother. It's loose. Didn't pick it. That caution. I didn't know what he was talking about. Talking to me, I said caution. I just didn't know where. It was near the end a little more. As each lap, it just gets a little looser. We should probably just do one more gasser. Okay. For sure, I already forgot about that. For sure. Yeah, man. It's so bumpy now. So here I come in. Pit stops and everything. Fun times, man.
Push 1 for McClure. 26-7 Clark. Carson and Craigshot within 5 of each other right now. Nick has 2 seconds now.
Yeah, I almost made it. They got me marshaled all good. It's one of the leaders. There we go. Those are the leaders right there. For sure, for sure.
As the battle for 4th and 5th continues to heat up, the leader getting right behind them. Notice the tail for the out of the attendance. Just makes the pass on Sugar Shane.
Yeah, I think so, dude. Oh, Jesus. That was shit. I lost a lot of time. Oh, that don't matter. At least I'm still alive. Yeah, I didn't even see that. That's crazy. Took me on a little deck drag. Cool, buddy. Oh, hey, let's get a temp reading, brother. I got a temp gauge in my in the
You did it!
Thanks, Kevin. And I'm just curious to see what you got.
Explosive buys right before the finish. Alright, guys, Go out of the track, go out of the track.
The race is completed.
She's probably pretty hot, dude. That's not bad, man. Oh, I lost like all my fucking body clamps. Oh, wait, she is beat. You made that happen, Jarrett, man. Thank you, buddy.